Alright, so this is my 2004 Cadillac CTS. I'm having a problem trying to start the car. See, I got lights, it's on, the battery's not dead, and it won't give me my key back. So underneath the steering column, there is a hole up under here. You need to take out, there's a little black piece under here. You need to take that out and it exposes the spring, okay? So what you want to do is get like a pin or something. I need the, well, this might work. I can hear the spring now, huh? I need something sharper than that. So I'm gonna use like the end of a screwdriver. Get it under here. All right, so you push it up and you get the key back. Okay, so but I need to start the car, so I'm gonna put it back in. It has to be in the on position. Okay, lift the hood, get you some electrical wire. This is entirely too long. You don't need a piece that's this long, but this is all Walmart had last night. This is when I figured it out. So you take a piece of wire, the key is on accessory mode. Pop the hood. Oh shit, I thought I popped the hood. Hold on, pop the hood. Alright. Pop the hood. Pop the hood again, bro. I guess you should know how to pop your hood first. Alright. Hood is pop. Alright. So I popped the hood. Come over here. Alright, this is the fuse box, okay? In the 2004 CTS, 3.6 liter. This is the fuse box. So you want to take this off. Come in, zoom in a little bit. This purple wire is the wire you need to find, okay? And this is a ground terminal that you'll tap it into. So I'm gonna show them the wire again. I'm just gonna use a regular wire I got from Walmart last night. Stick that into the purple hole down here. I know it seemed crazy, y'all, but just bear with me. All right, so you stick it into the purple hole, and you take the other end of the terminal, the wire, and you tap the terminal. And it's gonna start the car. So that can get you out of a precarious situation if you're lost somewhere or you're on the side of the interstate or whatever. Get you some white wire, some copper wire like this. Follow the instructions I just told you, and it'll at least get you home. That's all I can do for you, folks. This your boy Dick.